Mitta Sutta Yasanubhavado Yakha Neva Dasindi Bhisanam Yamhi Jiva Nuyunjando Rating Diva Matandido Sukhang Subadi Sutoja Papang Kenji Na Pasadi Ewa Madi Gunu Bedang Paritang Tambhanama He. By the power of this sutta, the yakhas do not show fearful visions, and a person who makes effort regarding this sutta day and night by reciting and practicing sleeps comfortably, and when he is asleep, he does not have bad dreams. O good people, let us recite this protective sutta, which is endowed with these qualities and others as well. Karaniya Matha Kusalena Yanta Santam Padang Abhisamicca Sakko Ujuja Suhujuja Suvajo Jasa Mudu Anadimani. He who wants to dwell penetrating the state of calm and who is skilled in his good should practice the three kinds of training. He should be able, upright, very upright, obedient, gentle, and not conceited. Santusagoja Subharoja Apakichoja Sanlahuka Wuti Sandindriyoja Nibagoja Apagabho Kule Swananu Gidho. He should be contented, easy to take care of, have few activities, have light living, or have few possessions, and be controlled in his senses. He should be wise and not impudent, and not be greedily attached to the families. Naja Kudas Majare Kinji Yena Vinyu Bare Upavadeyong Sukhi no wa Khemi no Hondu Sabba Sadda Bhavantu Sukhi Dada. He should not commit any slight wrong, by doing which he might be censured by wise men. May all beings be happy and safe. May their hearts be happy. Yegeji Pana Bhudati Dasawa Thavarawa Navasesa Dighawa Yewa Mahanda Majhima Rasaka Anuka Thula Dita wa yewa adita yewa dure wasanti avi dure bhuta wa sambhave siwa sabba saddha bhavantu sukhi dada. Whatsoever living beings there be, feeble or strong, long or big or medium or short, small or fat, seen or unseen, those dwelling far or near, those who have been born and those who are yet to be born. May all beings without exception be happy. Na paro paran nikobeta Nadi Manyeta Kataji Naganji Byarosana Badigha Sanya Nanya Manyasa Dukha Micheya. Let none deceive another or despise any person in any place. Let him not wish any harm to another with insult or ill will. Mada yatha niyam buddha Mayusa eka putta manurakhe Ewambi sabba bhudesu Manasam bhavaye aparimanam. Just as a mother would protect her only child at the risk of her own life, even so let him cultivate a boundless heart toward all beings. Middanja sabba lokasmi Manasam bhavaye aparimanam. Udhang adhoja tiriyanja asambadhang aviramasabadang. Let his thoughts of boundless love pervade the whole world, above, below, and across, making them unrestricted, free of hate, and free of enmity. Tithang charang nisaino wa Sayano yawadasa vita midho Edang sating adhiteya Brahma medang vihara midha mahu. Whether he is standing, walking, sitting, or lying down, as long as he is awake, he should develop this mindfulness in loving kindness. This is the noble living here in the dispensation of the Buddha, they say. Ditthingja anupagama silawa dasanena sampanno kamesu vineya gedhang nahi jatuk kabha seya punaredi. Not approaching wrong views, being virtuous and endowed with vision, the first path knowledge, and discarding attachment to sensual objects. He definitely does not come again to lying in a mother's womb.